TRENDOUX Winter Gloves for men and women. Upgraded touchscreen cold weather thermal warm knit glove for running, driving, and hiking. Which size to order? We provide a size range because these stretchy gloves are highly flexible. They offer a snug fit for most people and are not bulky at all. If you prefer a looser fit, we recommend selecting one size up. Can these go in the laundry machine? It's best to avoid machine washing. Hand wash and air dry to keep your gloves in great condition. Unisex winter gloves for driving, working, and gifting. Driving. The TRENDOUX winter gloves feature a firm grip with triangle silicone in the palm, ensuring a steady hold on the steering wheel. You can also easily use your GPS or change the music while driving without taking off your gloves, keeping you safe and enhancing your driving experience. Working. These gloves offer a well-fitting, stretchy design that isn't bulky, making them perfect for typing or writing in cold weather. Their business stylish look pairs well with your professional appearance while protecting your hands from the winter chill. Gift idea. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These Unisex TRENDOUX gloves are an excellent choice for your family and friends during the cold winter months. They're extremely warm, stylish, and highly stretchy, ensuring a comfortable fit for everyone without the bulk. Consider gifting a pair to each member of your family.